Well, hello there and happy Monday! I'm Monica Wofford, and this is your Monday Moment. When there's a big project, a year-end deadline, or even a holiday that sparks a lot of emotions, tensions and stress can rise higher than normal. And if this is happening in your office, you may hear an increase in conflict. The question is, as a leader, when do you get involved and try to solve the issue? Now, this is one of those areas in which leadership can have similarities to raising children. If two children are arguing over who took the toy, many parents would ignore the issue and let them work it out on their own. But if one kid is bleeding, the knife is coming out of the drawer and there's lots of screaming, now we're in intervention territory and possibly a new building. The big difference being that if you're a parent, you get to make that call. You have all the power and authority over your own children. If you're a leader, you may have the title, but just because you step in and say, do this or do that, some adults may not listen. You don't always have power or authority over grown people. You do, however, always have influence. Let that guide your decision to step in the midst of employee or boss or employee and employee conflict. Not every disagreement needs an immediate resolution. And if you train them never to work things out among themselves, they never have the option to learn workplace resilience or how to repair relationships. But when one is new to leading, but maybe an old hat at parenting, the analogy does make sense, but can be a little confusing. Remind yourself that while you may know exactly what you want for your children and how to handle each one during an argument, you may not have that same data or tenure or relationship with the people you're leading. Learn who they are, and your own influence will have far more impact. And if someone is truly injured or figuratively bleeding, maybe get immediate care, then wait a bit, then help them talk it out when things calm down and emotions are a little more palatable. I'm Monica Wofford, and let's keep talking leadership.